Hello everyone, this is Stephanie and today I'm going to show you how I did this cut crease look. It is my first cut crease, so I feel like it has a few imperfections, but I know I will get better if I keep practicing. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep watching. Okay, so today I'm doing a cut crease makeup and I've actually never done a cut crease before because I have hooded eyelids. I don't know, you can see right there. So I haven't wanted to because I thought that it would be a big fail, but you know, I'm trying it today. I'm hoping that everything turns out okay, hopefully. So I'm priming my eyelids with concealer. I'm gonna start by using a blending brush. I'm gonna dip into this shade. Okay, just so you know, this is the makeup look I'm trying to recreate. I'm gonna use another blending brush. This is a smaller one. Okay, so I took my time applying this shade onto my crease. I wanted to avoid any patchiness and for it to look very blended. I'm taking another blending brush and I'm gonna blend that out. I'm gonna dip into that shade again. I used a bigger blending brush to blend that all out. With a smaller blending brush, I took that darker burgundy shade. Okay, so because I wanted that to look more pigmented, I took a fluffy eyeshadow brush and applied that shade carefully all over my crease, and then I blended it with a blending brush. To cut the crease, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer and a flat brush. I'm taking a smaller flat brush to keep working on that crease. With an eyeshadow brush, I'm applying this white shimmer shade on top of that concealer. With a tiny flat brush, I'm applying that same shimmer shade on my crease. With an eyeshadow brush, I took that black eyeshadow and applied it on my outer corners. I alternated between this blending brush and the eyeshadow brush so everything would look seamless. Okay, so I wanted to create a cat shape on the outer corners of my eyes, and I wanted that to be very blended, so I kept using my blending brush. Okay, I like the way this looks so far, and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lower lash line, and I'm gonna take this brush. After applying that shade, I lined my waterline with black eyeliner. I set the eyeliner with black eyeshadow and dragged it down a little bit to make it smokier. I'm gonna take that burgundy shade with this brush and I'm going to blend it out. I am going to add some lashes and then we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope I see you next time. Bye.